In this video, I want to show you how you can create subfolders for the default modules in Easy SharePoint for Zoho CRM. So let's go to Settings, and under Marketplace, click on All. Then click on Installed. Now find Easy SharePoint and click on Settings. Under Module Settings, let me find Leads. Here, you can see the current folder structure is just based on the last name and folder. It is only one folder. We are going to create subfolders under this folder. We can give the first subfolder a name, maybe text files. Then we can add another folder called Invoices. Maybe under Invoices, we can create another subfolder for the year 2024. And that's it. Let's save this folder structure. Okay, it is saved. Now, if I go to Leads and create a new lead, I will add test last name. Then I will add the email, test@gmail.com. Then I will add simpler folder. For the first name, I will add test first. Now click Save. If I go to my SharePoint, then under Documents and Leads, we can see the Test Last Name folder. If I click on that folder, we will see the subfolders, Invoices, and Text Files. And inside the Invoices folder, we will have another subfolder, 2024. So this is how you can create subfolders for the default modules in Easy SharePoint for Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.